Welcome to week 3, everybody. We have a lot to cover this week, so I'm going to jump right in. This week we are covering 4 chapters, chapters 11, 12, 13, and 14. 11 being all about professionalism, 12 being all about business presentations, 13 about the job search. So this is where we're going to go through resumes and cover letters. And then chapter 14 is all about interviewing. It's a lot of great information. So starting with chapter 11, we are going to be covering, once again, professionalism. I've got some videos here. I've also added this discussion post here. So now that we have our LinkedIn profiles, we are going to connect with people. So our goal is to connect with at least 10 people, and your class is the best place to start. So here, if you will just click on here, it's kind of like a discussion, and just drop your LinkedIn URL. You can just put your name and URL. You see I've done that here to get us going. So just click on it and then drop your URL. That way everyone can go straight to their classmates and y'all can connect with each other. It's a great way to start connecting. And then once you've done that, once you've connected with at least 10 of your classmates, then you are going to click on this and then just put your URL in this text submission box, and that is how you will submit that assignment. So pretty easy and straightforward there. Okay, so then we're going to take a chapter 11 quiz as well. Whoops, I did not mean to click on that. So chapter 12, once again, all about business presentations. There's no discussion or assignment on that, but some great information. I put a kind of funny video here. We will be taking a quiz on it as well. Once again, chapter 13 is all about cover letters and resumes. You will be doing a cover letter for this week for your assignment. I've put some tips here. I've also made a video for you here. It's called All About Cover Letters. And then here's your cover letter assignment. Don't forget your cover letter tab over on the left that covers, or actually it's all about the other info and tips. But here's some cover letter writing tips I highly suggest you go by. Here's a great article to kind of help you differentiate your cover letter. And once again, your cover letter is a great place for you to highlight things that you wouldn't put on your resume. So maybe some great courses that you've taken that's relevant to the job that you're applying for. Anything like that, things that you would not put on your resume, definitely will highlight in your cover letter. So once again, I've made a video all about cover letters to get y'all started. Please check it out. There's some great examples in your book in chapter 13 of cover letters. So check those out. We will be writing a solicited, again, not an unsolicited. I cover that in that video as well. And lastly, we will be going over chapters 14, which is all about interviewing. Put some cute little videos in there that are kind of funny to kind of get your head wrapped around it. I've got some here's an article that I think is great. It's some general interview questions and then some like good feedback to go with each question, all right? So it's like interview questions that are, generally asked, not all of them in every interview, and then some good examples and feedback of how you could actually answer those questions. So check that out. It's great. We will be also taking a quiz over chapter 14. So for your, which I've already said this, but for your final, instead of actually doing or taking an exam, you're writing a resume. I've also made a video here that's all about resumes. So please check that out. I've included your resume assignment checklist that you will use this kind of as a guideline to make sure you have everything in your resume, as well as some resume writing tips. I've included a couple of templates you can use. I suggest you just kind of use a Word doc, but if you need a couple of templates or something to get you going, here's a couple to kind of look at. And so I just thought I'd share them just in case. But anyways, and your resume will be due the following in week 4, the end of week 4. So just to kind of get you going, make sure you check that out because we don't want to wait till the last minute. But that is kind of a wrap on week 3. If you once again, I know it's a lot of information, but it's a lot of great information. And so if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Another reason why I've made videos instead of trying to Zoom or anything, because I know we just have a lot going on this week, and it's a lot easier for you to watch videos in your time. That's kind of feedback I've gotten some. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Shoot me an email or write me a message if you remind. But I'm looking forward to another great week, and I will be chatting with you soon.